Hello everyone, my name is Rehan. Today I am going to show you how to make Monday dashboard load faster. Open up your dashboard, then click on these three dots, and then you would see this icon with the name Upgrade to New Dashboard Engine. Click on that, and it will load your dashboard again. Now your Monday dashboard would load faster. First thing. Second thing, you can refresh your dashboard anytime if you see that there is uh, data is not synced with your boards. And then the third thing, if you want to set up the timer for the dashboard to be refreshed, you can set up from here as well. Let's say if you want to set up the timer for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 12 hours, 1 day. Otherwise it would be automatic refresh. But if you click on this, now you would be able to see that it would sync your data here every 30 minutes. Okay, so that's how you make your Monday dashboard load faster. And also if you want to set up timer, you can do that here as well. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in comments. Thank you.